Game of Life 8 class. So these are going to be the directions for the Build Your Blueprint assignment. So you're going to find that on Google Classroom. So it should be on that last unit, unit 3, week 3. I'm going to organize this real fast. And this is an EverFi assignment. So again, you should already have an account. Doesn't matter if you don't. Click the link there, log in if you need it. Otherwise, I think you can log in with your Google account. And you're looking for, this should be the last module or the last lesson. Let me show this is the teacher end. I'll show you what the student version looks like here in a second. Oh, I am on the student end. And you want number 7, build your blueprint. And so what you're
To start building your future, you'll need to make...
I'm going to mute her. She talks a lot. Sorry about it. But this is actually a really short thing. So this is the blueprint you're going to be filling out. And I'll kind of show you what my filled out version looks like, just to kind of give you an idea of what yours will look like at the end. As per usual, these questions kind of follow what you're doing. There's moments where you're going to be doing stuff, and I just kind of let you know that that's a thing because I didn't want to ask you a ton of questions about that. And then there's just some questions to answer, though, after you've kind of done whatever that activity is. So this one's on your skills and interests, which is kind of what this is here after your personal values. And there's some other stuff there. Let me kind of show you what it looks like at the end, and then I'll explain a little bit better than what I'm doing right now. Give me a second. So when you have this whole thing filled out, this is what it should look like at the end. So you kind of listed some personal values you might have when it comes to your finances. They do a little bit of a career exploration for you. You're going to talk about education that needs for that career, similar to what you guys already have done in that career research assignment last week. You're going to look at some ways to pay for that education. Things to do now that can kind of help you as you get towards that ways to pay. And then you kind of do some different kind of what are some future goals you have in terms of your lifestyle, and is that going to work? Are you going to have enough income to match whatever that lifestyle is? This doesn't actually take very long to fill out, but I think it really gets you to think about a lot of what we've been learning about this whole unit, especially I would say more unit 1 and unit 3, not so much the entrepreneur stuff. But I think this will be a good way for you to kind of think through a lot of the things we've been talking about, especially when it comes to like personal finances in Unit 1, and then some of the career stuff we've been looking at recently, to kind of get this blueprint out. Now, like I said in the instructional video, this is not like solid, rigid, cannot change. I guarantee probably as you go through high school and just get more experiences, the career you're going to want is probably going to change, or the education level you're going to need or kind of want to aim for will probably change as you get older and get closer to making some of these decisions for sure. So don't worry about it. This is, like I said, the goal is to make the most accurate blueprint you can, given what you know and what you think now. And that's really it. The assignment's not very long because it's more about you filling out that blueprint. I should probably have you screenshot at the end. I'm going to add a question. But other than that, you guys are pretty good to go. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.